Hello everybody, again welcome back to our channel. As usual, today also we have brought to you another tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can delete your Amazon account. But before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, we will simply start our video. So to do so, first of all, you will simply go to your Amazon shopping app. Once you're there in your app, then you will see this horizontal line below. Simply tap on that line over there and this kind of interface will open up. Then you will scroll down and find this option called customer service right there. Simply tap on it. We will scroll down again and then you will see this something else option right there. Simply tap on this I need more help option there. Tap on it and you can see this kind of interface will open up. Since you will simply scroll down and tap on this browse all help topics. Tap on it and instead of looking anywhere, you will simply go to your search box right there. Tap on delete account. You will get the search option. Tap on this first one and this kind of article will pop up. So you can see close Amazon account right there. So you will have to request the close of your account help page in details. So you will simply tap on this close your account option in blue highlighted there. Tap on it and this will redirect to this web page, this page there, where you can scroll down and this first you can see again highlighted in blue, close your Amazon account. Simply tap on that option and you can see this is the another article to confirm do you really want to close your account, etc. So what you can do, you can simply scroll down and you can see yes, I want to permanently close my account. Check it. Once you get the blue check mark, simply tap on this drop down menu, choose a reason. If you have a particular reason that you want to get out of Amazon shopping, choose it and then you can simply tap on this close my account option given over there and your account will simply be permanently closed or deleted. So yes guys, this is how you can simply do it. I hope this video was helpful and if you have more concerns, do leave them in the comments below and I'll see you guys next time.